Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is October already, time flies by so fast, and I'm going to do a couple of Halloween DIYs. There's one DIY with cement, and I never worked with cement, so I'm curious how that's going to be. But we will find out together, so let's start with the first project. So for this first project I got a little inspired by this little skull. And I thought I had these little cute baskets, and I'm going to paint them black. And then I'm going to glue this down in the middle. And after that, I have a lot of these little black and white things you can glue on stuff. And I'm going to put that around the skull. And it's easier to watch than to explain. So let's just start. So for my next project I got this one. I see them a lot at thrift stores, and I thought I could give her a pretty nice Halloween makeover. I don't know which colors I'm really going to use. I think a combination of these reds and some white and black. But I'm just going to paint and see what I like. For the next project I saw this lantern, and I saw that if you put cement in it you can use it as a mold, and that's what I did last night. in the center I put a plastic cup in the hope that it will put a hole in the middle so I can put a candle in it or candy or something like that. So now the only thing I have to do is rip everything apart with a Stanley knife. So it worked. There was enough cement to get the ice on here. But it worked, and it's heavy. Got a little hole in the middle. Still think it's cute. So it kind of worked. I'm just going to do the edges with some sanding paper. So that were the Halloween DIYs for this week. And I changed scenery because my boyfriend is cooking and he's making a little bit of noise. So I'm now in the study. I had a little bit of a fail with the cement pumpkin because he didn't have his eyes. But I still really love that it worked. So next time I just fill it up a little bit more and I have a pumpkin with eyes. And I really love the old lady that I give a Halloween makeover. And I had so much fun with it that I think I'm going to maybe do some more. So thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you liked it and maybe you can get some inspiration for your own Halloween DIY projects. So if you liked it, please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. I have a lot of these, how do you call these? Applicants. So for my next project, if I find the right statues,